How to make Game Pass in Please Donate Roblox Mobile. So let's get started with it. First of all, launch your Roblox app and then go to the More option. And then scroll down and go to Create, tap on it. After you reach in this interface, what you need to do is tap on this menu icon and tap on Dashboard. And here you'll see the experiences that you have experienced in Roblox. So if you have multiple, it doesn't matter, just select on one of them. I'm gonna select this one. After clicking on it, what you need to do is again select on the menu icon, and this time go to, and then here you can see the option called passes below developer products. Just tap on it. You just want to select create a pass. So here what you can do is create a pass that will be bought once. So here you can change the profile picture, anything you want. I'm just gonna keep one of the pictures, this one, and then tap the type name, whatever you want, and give it a description. After that, create a pass, and you have successfully created a pass. So here you can see the off sale option below the pass that you just created. What you need to do is tap on the pass that you just created and then tap on the menu icon again. And then this time select sales. And then here turn the total option on and keep your price for your Robux. Let's say I'm keeping 10, which means you'll get 7 Robux when you sell your item. And tap on save changes. Now go back to your dashboard and you can see that your item has been given a sell price of 10 Robux successfully. Go back to your home page and search for Please Donate, and then find an unclaimed stand on Please Donate. And when you put it, you can see your Game Pass that you just donated on that game. So in this way you can make a Game Pass in Please Donate Roblox mobile phone. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.